Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to install Python. So let's get started. So to install Python is really simple. So go to the python.org website, go to downloads, go to Windows, then choose one of these. Okay, so the latest versions will be here. Okay, this is the latest one, it will be at the top. So I've already downloaded one according to one of the options. Okay, you choose one according to whatever you are using. Okay, so after downloading it, to install it, just click the installer. Okay, and if you want to just install the default options, just choose this one. Okay, and select both of these options. Okay, but if you want to customize the option, then you can choose these accordingly and then press next, and then choose all of these accordingly. Choose the location where you want to install it, and then just click the install button. And then the installation process will begin. Okay, so now that it's successfully installed, so I'm gonna open up a terminal. Okay, and you can just right click, okay, and open up PowerShell if you want. It's up to you. Or you can do CMD by clicking the search icon, and that will also give you the option to open up the command prompt. Okay, I have opened a PowerShell, and in this, to check if Python is installed or not using our terminal, all you need to do is type in the command Python, okay, and then dash capital V, not small v, capital V. Press enter, and as you can see, it's saying that I have installed Python here, the version number, and also you should check if you have installed pip or not. Okay, so what pip is basically, it is a package manager for Python. So pip dash capital V. So it's saying that I have pip 24 installed. So this is how you install Python. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.